Welcome to Your Home in association with Woodie's, where we show you how simple it is to style your home without going over budget. In this episode, we're going to look at how to style your bathroom. Lately, bathrooms are rivaling kitchens for cutting-edge style, creating a huge opportunity for homeowners to showcase their personal style. This, for example, is my children's bathroom. Choose a combination of tiles for maximum interest. The right combination of tiles can be daunting with so many differing styles available, but try to pick a scheme that works well with the decor in the adjacent room. Choose furniture that is the right size for the space and always measure in advance. Consider wall-hung sanitary also for smaller spaces. Use an array of functional lighting. Bright overhead lights is an excellent start. If you wish to up the ante, add a nightlight in a shower shelf or under your vanity, which can double up as a nightlight for toilet trips throughout the night. To finish off, accessorize with a complement of both functional and decorative items. So don't neglect your bathroom when creating your dream home. Find everything you need from tiles to accessories in your local Woodies.